welcome back to the mix. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is calling out to the artist's mother to remove what Marcia called Dr. Eighth from her son's tour, basically. Now, Marcia is saying that as a woman should stand up for another woman. And when it comes to a situation where a man is talking about, a female like that, then she would like, basically some support from this female. She's saying that he's not capable of taking this young artist to the next step or to another level in his career. And so she's asking for her to basically listen to what she has to say. And she's imploring her, she's letting her know that, this has been 3 years since that person has been sitting on her name and saying all kinds of derogatory stuff about her. And she would like this lady to know that. So, people, you have to go ahead and watch the video to see what Marcia has to say. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful day.
And now you want to come talk about, nobody depend level, what kind of blood clot level? You can't even spell level, much less. You come and talk about, in and a mix up, in and a this, in and a that, just because you want to go ride off of the boy song. But, in and a mix up. Make it stop, make him not get no booking and see how fast you come back out, come pussy clot chat about me, bitch. Look, you will see how fast, but nobody pay level, what kind of level? You don't even have a blood clot high school diploma, but you want pussy clot manage artists. You can't even blood clot write and bumble clot spell, but you want come but you want manage artists. Manage what kind of artists? Step aside, dirty boy, and go sit down. You can't even manage your blood clot self, but you want to come manage disability people. Eh? You don't deserve it. You don't deserve God, grace, and mercy of that young man. But you want come show off on people. Eh? How? They're not on my level. What fucking level? A son never see come see blood clot. I always come up and want to come take people things. And come talk about what level. Tag Niger boy fire and blood clot before it's too late. My pussy clot 10. You ain't going to have a problem. Me not stop pray. Me not stop pray till you come to your senses. Because I'm going to rob you. Him too fucking greedy. And him office he want to come out to come show off on me. And show off on other people. Don't make it go too further. He's not on your level. If you don't fire that blood clot, boy, as a manager, you're not going nowhere. You is hindering your blessing. You cannot be blind and have a wicked obia working blood clot man working with you. God, when you love God, him not pray, him not believe in a God. Him don't believe in God. So how is it you're going to survive out there? How is it you're going to survive out there? Where you do picture one little Caribbean island? Eh? What to the big stage them? What to England? What to France? What to blood clot Africa? Him now get you there. Change him. Him don't deserve you. And you mama, you's a workless mama. You sit there and let that blood clot man come on social media and downgrade all kind of woman and me. And you sit there and make him represent and call me all kind of name. And you sit there and he might represent your blind son. And that blood clot man come and talk something about me. And you sit there as a woman, as a bumble clot mother. As a mother. How much money give you already? How much money give your son already? How much money he give you? Eh? Look on the picture where him take. Him say my dash out picture for your son birthday. And in here people are calling Batty and all kind of same thing. Look where him take your son. Go take your son, take out your son and put your son in a bed with one girl. What that represent? Where am I represent? Where am I show if you say? Just your son in a batty man? That's what my show if you say? Him couldn't take one nice picture by your son said, why am I to show your son with one girl in a bed from the video? Him couldn't take a picture with my post on him page and put and says with a regular picture. Why am I to put a picture with a girl in a bed? How that is that representing your son? What kind of life what kind of example are you showing? Oh, your son must go around and fuck a groupie girl. Because they won't come after him. As long as him start hang out and start sing song. You understand? I told you no writing violate until me done. No writing until me finish. No writing until me finish. Rules and regulation. No writing until I'm finished. I know I'm a loving supporters. Let me talk first. Look on the picture when you write to represent your son. Look on the pictures that he put up this morning. Why never take a picture by himself? Why never take a picture? You tell me say all him work with your son. Him not have no picture. Him have to show your son lie down in the bed with a woman. As a manager? Get the fuck out of here. You must see a blood clot Batman for real. As we foot type say. Watch him around your son. Cause from him dress na them blood clot polka dot and them look fucking clothes there. You know. Watch him around your son. No, you make sure say you mama. And if you can't fly, make somebody go fly with him. You need a chauffeur. He's not to be trusted. Him need a blood clot chauffeur. Me make sure say me I call the blood clot disability act of America. If you think say I get to that pussy clot you do to me, you not represent no blood clot body. Just like how you come talk by your show on New Year's Eve night say anywhere me go for rent, I call people and tell them say me not paying a blood clot bills and whatever. Me make sure say me I call the disability of America because you not represent no blood clot body around here. You can't come and downgrade me and you represent body. No, that pussy clot not work. Just as you come and talk about say any at all, me ever get no rent, no place you went and you know you call them and tell them all kind of something. Well, me I call Disability of America because you know pussy clock come put me down and represent the body blind. You're so fucking enough. I know you come on social media drop order and I talk about you want to come show off because you get a little it. Well, make sure some get it pan top of it and with you ain't getting no fucking more it. Unless somebody else represent him. You don't deserve him. Now you want to come on social media with your ungrateful self. Oh, no, I'm not. And me talk to you, who know? Oh, no, I'm not on my lead. What kind of lead? Him not even reaching away yet. Him not even get on core level, like. Him not even reach Dex at that level, like. What now you tell people now because you get two little gig and one little here around the place. You come and tell people about nobody not in your lead. What kind of fucking lead? You have no lead? You can't even spell blood clot dick. Much less pussy. And you come and talk about your body in your lead. You can't spell contract? Spell blood clot contract. You can't spell violation? You can't spell stage? You can't spell microphone? You can't spell guitar? You can't spell blood clot keyboard? And piano? And drum? And saxophone? You can't blood clot spell saxophone? Where you know? Where you know about? Where you know? The woman they look very licky. Very licky. But you know what? The thing about it, your son is an intelligent boy. I'm so fix him. Me not to pray. People, wanna pray. Wanna pray. Big up for the hype. You could have me for the hype, you know say nothing wrong. You don't say I don't care what they want say for the hype, you know say nothing wrong. If you see the cake of black, call him blood clot black. And if you see the puss white, call the puss white. You describe him exactly who him is. A fucking Batman and wickeder. That's what him is. Him don't deserve him. Man like him is going to blight the young man. It don't matter if him have him for whatever. The only reason I'm having so long because I'm blood clot hobby the boy. And that time down. That's the only reason why everybody hobby soon pull. You know go and pray. Pray people and pray. The hobby most blood clot broke. That's the only reason. Tie up the young man. Tie him up. But you can't come out of that ras. Anything you get in, you can't come out. That time tie up that blood clot, boy. The boy want let loose long time. You know how long the boy for boss? You know how long the boy for boss? And then they have salt down the boy. The boy don't want to walk with him. Who will walk with you? Who's going to walk with you and know who you are? Who's going to walk with you and who know you is? Who's going to blood clot walk with you? Who's going to walk with you? And you, mama. You, mama. Man will come down and discriminate my woman. Put me down for 3 blood clot years. I used to see man on social media with me picture with obia pan it. Black candle and red candle and stone all over my body. And me I tell you, come here see you watch me. And you see everything with that pussy clot man a chat about me. And you make that man a represent your son. So if you think I do the same thing to your son too, wait until money start flow. Wait until money start flow. Wait until money starts so you don't see no come here going and say, my blood, you see Marcia? Me's a prophet. And anything me say, wait until that blood clot money start coming, you don't see it. Wait until that money start coming and you don't rascal seat. Just like Fantasia them. Big Fantasia them was working and not a money now coming. Wait man. You won't make excuses and say, this of a band man, this of a video, and this of a ras. You must tell you. You must say this of a video, this of a lighting, this of a food, this of a taxi, and this of a plane ticket. And this of a hotel. And when you look, your son don't get one pussy clot. If you see a film rainy day. And that you're going to see. This of a video, this of a lighting, this of a hotel, this of a plane ticket. Because members say you have to pay for film plane ticket too. You have to pay band members too. You have to pay for all of them sitting there. So by the time he take out film percent, and him not take nothing out of film, he won't take you out of the boy to buy a film plane ticket for travel. Him not take out of film money now. Not now come out of film now. Remember that now, lady. If 20% of film, not film money not blood clot touch. Film money not touch. Him always going to have film 20% to push in a pussy clot pocket for to show up on people on social media. That not touch. And the other rest of boy, 80% will come out of everything. Remember that. Remember that. Know what you do. And remember say, remember you get a tourney for the boy. Remember to get a tourney for him. If him going to bust now this business, get music attorney for him. And don't sit like a fool and make sure you get a life insurance blood clot policy too. Make sure you get a L policy for him when him travel, if anything happen to him. And an insurance policy, a life insurance policy too. And get a lawyer. So let me give you an input. You make sure you take out a life insurance policy for your son and a health insurance when he's traveling across the place. That means that anything happen to him, he can't go to any fucking doctor. You make sure. And travel insurance and all them sort of something there. You can't stay there. Go and speak to somebody proper medical idiot boy teach you nothing. Me say wanna pray. Wanna pray. He's the starter. He's not the finisher. He is the starter of your son's life, but he's not the finish. Him run a rat race. What your son should have bust blood clot long time. I him stagnant, your son. And you need to get a second person to travel with your son. You need a second person. Somebody with a blood clot like him. Get somebody to assist him that can trust and make sure say Me notice say your son go up on stage, him not dress good for your artist. Him need proper dressing to cheer up the people them. Them they dressing there when me see him go with Dexter that passing there and no blood clot dressing that. You want a stylist? Well, get somebody a stylist. Him need to dress better than that if he want to make it in this business. Because the girl them need to see him looking hot. And that look like a judging clothes him go up on the road. You can't have him a dress like that blood clot clown boy. Him need proper clothes. He needs proper clothes to wear him out. You need to put him in some nice clothes to shine because he's blind. You need to put him into something that is going to make him stand out because you know, like him ugly. Him need to be in proper clothes. Then the little whatever t-shirt with collar. Them they're not ready. Them they are regular judging clothes. If him going to be a star, you have to dress like a raw star. Him going out to sing a concert and him need some nice jacket. He need a fashion somebody. He just know if you get somebody who know if you pick proper clothes to fit him. He is a young, nice man. And when you dress nice, it attract more women and it attract more audience to make them follow him. So if he is gonna dress like that, him not ready. You want to know when you look at him, you're not looking at blindness, you're looking at his voice and his fashion. And him don't know nothing. So get the boy in a better clothes. So you need a stylist. Him live America, or wherever him live. Where him live America, you need better stylists. Him not supposed to represent a man like that, a young man like that with such a talent. Him cannot manage him. And as I said, get a better stylist. When him going out to perform, him need a nice shiny jacket. Back in them days, they like when you have what the guy they sing, don't let him go, no, him back. Keep on my baby. You see how him dress? You see how them the boys dress back in the days? Him not dress too good enough. Me see my part the other day, you not to be dressed so good. But me like you. You see when him a dress back in them days with him nice jacket and him suit and him something. America have every fucking thing and your son is slim. Him not fat. Put him in a one nice sequins jacket. A nice tight pants with a nice shiny sneakers. And a muscle up and him whatever and put him in a one nice jacket. Get him nice ear cut on him and get him a better blood clot glass. Him need a expensive more glass. Him need a brand name. If I make money buy the man a blood clot brand name glass. Just like this. A bumbo clot. How is this? This one that cost almost blood clot $500. You need to put him. If I make money, put him into a blood clot Gucci and whatever. Go to the glass place and give me money. When one for come to take the boy money,